How you doing, guys? It's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds, and welcome to the video of this gorgeous 2018 Triumph Street Triple 765 RS. So what a beautiful bike this one is. It's a bike that we've sold previously and we've just got it back in. And it's stunning. It's only done 3,393 miles. It is the one with the full colour TFT display. And being an RS, you do get different power modes. You get ABS, you get adjustable traction, you get the bar end mirrors, Brembo M50 monobloc brakes, Brembo master cylinder. You also get the genuine Triumph quickshifter. This one's got the seat cowl. It does come with the rear seat, and it's got an Evotech tail tider. They're a mega bike. You can go through all the display on it. You can see all that there. You've got daytime running lights which you can mess around with, and this one looks fantastic in the black with the red pinstriping. They're a cool bike to ride, 3 cylinders. They've got loads of power, loads of torque, but they're also very, very good at handling. So if you do want it, be super quick, get yourself out of Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Thank you for watching. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk-around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.